Hey guys, welcome back to our video. Today I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on PayPal. Okay, so here I am signed on to my PayPal account, and at the top you'll see a couple options. The first thing you should see is your PayPal balance. So I'm just going to swipe over until I see a section that says crypto. So I'm just going to click on crypto. From here you'll have multiple options. You could buy crypto, you could sell crypto, you could send or receive crypto right here on this screen. So for this example, I'm going to be buying Bitcoin. So I'm going to click on buy, and then I'm choosing the crypto I would like to buy. So at this point, I'm going to be buying Bitcoin. So click on Bitcoin. And from here, you're going to type in the amount of Bitcoin you would like to buy. You could buy as little as $1 of Bitcoin. You could buy $20 worth of Bitcoin, buy $50 worth of Bitcoin, buy 100, 500, etc. You could also set up, like, if you want to buy it like just one time, you could buy it every day, you could buy every week, every 2 weeks, every month. So I'm just going to buy Bitcoin once, so I'm just going to type in $1, then I'm going to click next, and from here it's going to send up your payment method. So I have a bank account at the very top, and that's the option I'm going to be using to buy Bitcoin. You could also buy Bitcoin with a debit card, or you could also link a new bank account. So I'm going to click on my bank account at the top, then click on next. From here it's going to give you your summary of buying Bitcoin. So as you can see, I'm going to be buying that amount of Bitcoin for that exchange rate. It's going to be buying $1 worth of Bitcoin, and then the transaction fee for this one is going to be 0.45 cents, and the total amount I'm going to be paying to buy Bitcoin here is $1.49. And then if I'm good with this buying summary at the very bottom, I click on buy now. And that is how you buy Bitcoin on PayPal. If this video helped you out, hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching.